Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to mine on the naira platform. It's pretty easy. What you're seeing now is my Mozilla Firefox. I'm just gonna go back to my home page and I'll click on it all over again. So that's my Mozilla Firefox. I'm gonna click on my tab here and I'm gonna change my mode to incognito mode because I prefer using incognito mode because the network in my area and fluctuates. So once it fluctuates, there is a tendency of you being logged out every time, because the whole system is centered like around IP addresses strictly. So I'm just gonna type in mynaira.com on the page here. I click on go and I'm gonna wait for it to load. Yeah, it's almost done. All right, the page has loaded. Yeah, click on allow the notification. It's gonna open a new tab, and you can click on this tab and go back to the previous tab. So it's still loading. I have 198 users now, so it's loading. Yeah, so you can cancel this is an advert, and click on this menu icon. Click on menu icon, you click on login. You put in your username and password. Sorry about that. Alright, and you click on login. Alright, it's loading. You click on login. It's loading. Alright, we're in. Notice my balance right now is 332.250020 naira, and once I click on start mining cash, a new tab is gonna open and the mining process will begin. So I'm gonna do the clicking now. I'll click on start mining. Notice a new tab has been opened, and yeah, so the mining process has started. Notice the progress bar up here. Once it gets filled, there's gonna be some kind of reloading, so once this one completes, it's gonna tell you success, 1 naira has been gotten. Now in most cases, sometimes after this progress bar gets to the end, it stops there and tells you please wait for a while. Now that's due to the fact that your network is fluctuating, which is why I advise people to mostly use their Mozilla Firefox and always use the incognito mode. It helps you not to experience this problem. Now that problem is due to the fact that your other tab, this one, automatically logs you out. So when you refresh, you notice that it logs you out. That is why this other tab freezes after the first reload. So as now it's telling me please wait, and it tells me it has told me that I have received 1 naira. So another reload is happening, so 1 naira has been added. So I'm going to go back to the other tab and refresh, so that you see it was 300. It is 332 and I've mined 1 naira, so it's gonna change to 333 after I reload. So let's see 1 naira just by sitting in my room, and it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. People go the whole day without even 1 naira. Here it is, boys and girls. 333 naira, 1 naira made within 1 minute. It's as easy as that, guys. start mining today. I'm gonna drop my referral link below this video. Use that to register and make more money. It's easy. So I'm gonna go back to the other tab, and you see that it's still mining, it's still loading. Now, for people who have advertised with my naira, this is where the websites show. So this website over here right now is someone who has advertised with my naira, so his website is showing here. So you get a lot of page views, impressions, and you make more money from whatever adverts that's on your site. So guys, this is how it works. 1 naira has been added again, and I'm loving it. See you guys next time.